Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use YouHodler cryptocurrency trading account, what exactly features are available on that particular platform related to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum or other electronic currencies. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and type here YouHodler. Enter first link is display here. I am putting this link in same video description. YouHodler.com. Keep crypto, use cash, land, hodler your currency, euro, US dollar, Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar and some other currency. So you just simply click here. So this is a keep crypto, use cash. So you sell your cryptocurrency and use your cash of any other global currency. You can use as some crypto loan using this platform. So what exactly process, all process related informations are available. Increase loan to value, extend price, down limitation, exchange related, universal conversation between all crypto. That one is quite amazing, no matter for which cryptocurrency you are investing or you are exchanging for this platform. Earn crypto, it's quite amazing. Saving account interest for this like a US dollar, some dirham, euros, link, US dollar C and some bitcoins, multi-holder, youth holder, some blocks are available. Those block related informations provide you as a much more, so you read those blocks and increase your knowledge related to cryptocurrency or electronic currency. So we start about like application is available Apple Play Store and some videos also available here. They are making the video, so I get start here. So we make account. First of all, it's quite simple to creating account. Just simply sign up. So which country you are living currently, I just simply type here in Denmark your email address and this your password. So one character, small, capital, special number and then sign up. It's quite simple to sign up. I just sign up this YouHodler account and here is my wallet is created. So how much currency I have in euro? Zero. US dollar, USD or Bitcoin related? No, but some prices are available here. This is a wallet. Using this wallet you transfer your money, loan related information here, or you just get new loan plus add this get new loan. I want buy this like a Bitcoin. Suppose for example I want buy Bitcoin 1. So one Bitcoin price is like a 41,634 US dollar and loan value is like a 90%. They are providing you 90% for 50 days, 90% for 30 days and some price down limitations are available. Loan repayment, if you take one Bitcoin, so you repayment like a 42,000 means exactly $1,000 more than you pay, like a 2.50% loan interest chargeable for you. Some turbochargers related informations also available. They are making the video. Your transaction history are display here and this is my profile. Currently I am not verify anything, so just simply I verify for one options like in my email address. I click here, so I receive one 6-digit pin in my email address. So I just simply check here. Yeah, I received the one pin in my email address and verify. So my email address is successfully verified. You just simply do same process as your mobile number and your identity proof, means you upload here your passport like this. Example, first page and last page. You select here in your country. Suppose for example I select India. So India point of view you upload my passport like this. Front page and this one and second page this one and then upload and finish the later continue. It's quite simple to upload and verify your account related information. So just only 3 steps to verify. 2-factor authentication is available. Use your mobile number OTP, so that one is quite secure. Using reset password, you can reset the password. Free commission. Here options are available. You want to receive every day for this particular email address, so you select. Application available iOS and Android, so you just download and do same process for the creating a YouHodler account. It's quite simple.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.